Each muscle is made of hundreds to thousands of individual muscle cells. Unlike most other cells in the body, these cells are unusually shaped. They are elongated like a cylinder or a long rod. Because of their shape, muscle cells are normally referred to as muscle fibers. Muscle cells, or muscle fibers, are specialized cells that make up the muscles in our bodies. They have a distinct elongated shape, resembling cylinders or long rods. This unique shape is essential for their function in generating force and enabling muscle contraction. Muscle fibers are multinucleated, meaning they have multiple nuclei located along their length. This feature is a result of the fusion of many individual muscle cells during development. The multiple nuclei help support the high energy demands of muscle cells and contribute to their ability to synthesize proteins. Muscle fibers contain specialized structures called myofibrils, which are composed of smaller units called sarcomeres. Sarcomeres are responsible for muscle contraction and are made up of thick and thin filaments of proteins called myosin and actin, respectively. The interaction between these filaments generates the force that enables muscles to contract and produce movement. Muscle cells are highly adaptable and can change in size and strength in response to various stimuli such as exercise, training, and hormonal signals. This ability to adapt is what allows our muscles to grow stronger and more efficient with regular physical activity. Here are some additional details about muscle fibers. 1. Types of muscle fibers. There are different types of muscle fibers, classified based on their contraction speed and metabolic properties. The two primary types are slow twitch, type 1, fibers. These fibers contract relatively slowly and are well suited for endurance activities. They have a high capacity for aerobic energy production and are resistant to fatigue. Fast twitch, type 2, fibers. These fibers contract rapidly and generate more force. They can be further divided into type Ia and type IIB, or IIX, fibers. Type Ia fibers have a combination of endurance and strength characteristics, while type IIB fibers are more powerful but fatigue quickly. 2. Neuromuscular junction. Muscle fibers are innervated by motor neurons at specialized sites called neuromuscular junctions. These junctions are where the nerve endings meet the muscle fibers, allowing for communication and control of muscle contraction. When a motor neuron stimulates a muscle fiber, it triggers the release of calcium ions, leading to the interaction of actin and myosin filaments and resulting in muscle contraction. 3. Satellite cells. Muscle fibers possess satellite cells, which are crucial for muscle growth, repair, and regeneration. Satellite cells are dormant precursor cells located outside the muscle fiber membrane. In response to muscle damage or exercise, these satellite cells can be activated, proliferate, and fuse with existing muscle fibers or with each other to form new muscle fibers, aiding in muscle repair and growth. 4. Muscle fiber arrangement. Muscles are composed of bundles of muscle fibers that are organized in a specific arrangement. The two primary arrangements are parallel. In parallel muscle fibers, the fibers run parallel to each other and the direction of force generation. This arrangement provides a larger range of motion but generates less force. Pennate. In pennate muscle fibers, the fibers are arranged at an angle to the tendon, resembling a feather. This arrangement allows for a greater force-generating capacity due to a higher number of fibers in a given cross-sectional area. 5. Fiber type adaptation. The distribution of muscle fiber types in our bodies is genetically determined, but it can be influenced by training and physical activity. Endurance training, such as long-distance running, tends to promote the development of more slow-twitch fibers, while strength training, like weightlifting, can lead to an increase in fast-twitch fibers. However, complete conversion from one fiber type to another is not possible. These are some key aspects of muscle fibers. Their structure, composition, and functional characteristics collectively contribute to the remarkable capabilities of our muscles in enabling movement, strength, and coordination. Matthew, a cancer and stroke survivor, requests that you help spread awareness of severe diseases by publishing this video. Please take a moment to subscribe to and like this video.